Today we started off volunteering at the Ronald McDonald House, but today there were no flat tires. Thank you for holding the door, Craig.
Here they come. Here they come. Hey, guys.
Can you say good morning?
Good morning.
Good morning, Greg.
I wanted to show you how Craig and I pulled the fitted sheets.
That's crazy, crazy.
Craig is very good at teamwork.
Sorry.
No squeezing, that hurts. And now for a comforter. These are a little easier to fold.
Crazy.
We pass this interesting vacuum cleaner display every week. Today, Craig wanted to eat at Palmer's Deli and Market. All right, Betty. All right, we have to stand in line here. It's pretty busy today here. You waiting for your sandwich? Oh, there you are, Craig. Right, we're eating at Palmer's today. What kind of sandwich did you get, Craig?
The Palmer's Club on toasted.
Let's see. What kind of cookie?
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter cookie and some, what kind of salad?
Apple salad.
Yep, some Snickers apple salad. I got the pea salad. I got the ham and cheddar on a Kaiser roll, along with a Neiman Marcus cookie, and we are going to try the ham and bean soup here because we both love ham and beans, and I haven't made it for a long time. The food here is always delicious, right, Craig?
Mm-hmm.
How is your sandwich today?
Delicious.
How is it?
Peanut buttery.
Is it soft? Chewy? Yeah? It looks delicious. What do you think?
Tastes soupy. It's yummy.
Yeah, it's really good. It's really good flavor, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe we need some crackers in it, do you think? Do you think it needs crackers?
Sort of.
I think it's hard for you to eat that way. Here we go. I never realized that Craig didn't know how to eat soup. So we put some crackers in and thickened it up and gave him a few lessons on how to eat it, and he's doing great. Usually when we have ham and beans at home, we put cornbread in it and it thickens it up. So I hadn't thought about that. Craig had never really eaten something that was really soupy. Do you like ham and beans?
Mm-hmm.
I'd be interested to hear from our viewers if they eat ham and beans, if it's more of a Midwest type of thing, or
Yeah.
people eat ham and beans all over the world. We really enjoy them.
Ugh.
Greg tried a pea, but he didn't like it. Can you give us a review for Palmer's Deli?
Yes, Palmer's Deli is the best restaurant. The sandwich tastes delicious. The waitress seems good. I give it 2 thumbs up, 5 stars, and a Craigie Vanville seal of approval.
What was your favorite thing?
The ham and bean soup.
Ooh, you really like that.
Yep.
We need to make some ham and beans soon, don't we?
Yeah. Someday.
Craig, what's the song for the day?
Benny. Venom. Vene. This very simple thing I learned to stay.
I've been in some tight spots before, but nothing.
How's that?
Good job. And what are you drawing, Craig?
A penguin.
You're drawing this penguin. What's this penguin's name?
Perky.
Perky the penguin? Herky or Perky?
Perky.
What year did you get Perky?
2011.
Do you remember where you got him?
In the garage sale?
It's a good possibility.
I need a small beak.
Okay.
I wish I could have a small beak.
Okay.
And the finishing touch.
Right.
A penguin.
What do you think?
Looks perfect. Yeah. Not bad for this penguin.
A portrait of Perky the penguin.
Yup.
You're going to put him back in his home, or are you going to play with him for a while?
Yeah, put him back in his home.
Okay.
And that's how you make a penguin. That's a wrap.
Okay.
And today's episode is brought to you by Palmer's, Deli, and Market. You have it with sandwiches. And this is Craigie Vaver saying, see you next time.